Hello my beautiful glam style family, welcome back to my channel. I am so happy and excited to have you here today. My name is Araceli and I hope you are doing absolutely amazing today. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I decorated my kitchen for this Valentine's 2022. And stay tuned at the end of this video because I will be sharing with you a strawberry lemonade recipe. So without further ado, here it goes, a very Valentine's kitchen decor, a glam style. So here's all the decorations that I'm going to be using. I placed them all on this side just because I will not be adding any more decorations on this particular side, just because I have my coffee station here. And if you haven't seen that video, I invite you to go watch it. It will be linked in the description below. Let me begin by showing you this gorgeous kitchen towels that I got at Marshall's for $6.99. They're absolutely beautiful. And I also have this other pink ones from Walmart. I saw them and I couldn't resist. And for this ones, I only paid $4. Over on this side, I have my DIY wreath that I made in one of the videos. And I also have this pink wreath that I got at Target. I had gotten it for my bar stools, but I only found one. So I'm going to be placing it on top of my DIY wreath just to get a good use out of it because it's so beautiful. I couldn't leave it behind. And to use it on the door, I think it's too small. So this will do for now. Over on this side, I found this beautiful apron from Target as well, and I only paid $5 for it. I also have this container for the oil that I got at Ross for $2.99. And then I have this wooden heart that I got at Hobby Lobby, and I think I only paid like $2.50 for it. This rose candle is from Bath & Body Works, and then this sign from the dollar store. And these two other signs are from Hobby Lobby. This heart measuring cups I got at Home Goods. It was a set with the little spoons. And the little towel is from the 99-cent store. This little sign is from Hobby Lobby, and I'm sorry that everything's just everywhere. I just placed it on top of my counter and didn't worry about putting it in the right spot. I just kind of threw everything everywhere. Anyways, so for the dish soap, I'm going to be using this pink container. It's a very light pink with glitter that my husband got me at Burlington, I believe. And for the hand soap, I'm going to be using that other white one. I just removed the label just so it could look more cohesive with everything instead of having like all the bright colors there. And then this plate is from last year. I forgot where I got it. And then back here we have this nutcracker that I got at JCPenney. It's like super old, maybe like 9 or 10 years. We're also going to be doing a baking station, so I have these 2 cookie batter bags. This is just an idea that occurred to me like literally right now. If not, I would have gotten a pink cookie bag. And then over here we have this gorgeous vase from Burlington, and I added some hydrangeas and just placed that love sign up there just so it could look more Valentine-ish. This heart is also from Burlington, and I've had it for 2 or 3 years. And then over here I have this gorgeous pink picture that I got at Marshall's last year. We're going to be using it for the lemonade, but it could also be used as a decor piece. We just put some flowers there or something like that. And then to set my small little round table, I'm going to be using this placemats that I got for Christmas, and then this other glittery ones that my cousin got me as a gift. These pink plates are the ones that I DIYed last year, and then the white plates are from Hobby Lobby, and the heart plates my husband bought me at Home Goods last year. And then lastly, I have this gorgeous tray that we're going to be using as a centerpiece for our table. This is my favorite tray out of all the ones that I own. And now that I've shown you everything, we are ready to start decorating our kitchen because it is our kitchen. And this is what it looks like before, and let's begin. We're moving on to the nook part of my kitchen, and we're going to be replacing the curtains. I'm going to be replacing them with this white ones and this pink glittery ones. Just by replacing the curtains, I'm giving my nook a brand new look without wasting a lot of money. This is a tip from me to you if you would like a fresh brand new look to your kitchen, to your living room, or any space in your home. You could just replace the curtains and that will automatically change the ambience of your room. All right, ladies, so here we're gonna start making our strawberry lemonade. We're gonna need about 6 limes and 15 strawberries. Depending on how acid you like your lemonade, you're gonna want to add more or less limes. For me, 6 limes is perfect. Then we're also going to be needing 1.5 cups of sugar and 8 cups of water. And then everything else is super easy. We'll just mix up everything together, blend it so we can get our strawberry lemonade. This is one of my family's favorites, and if you love limes and strawberry, I'm sure you're gonna love it too. Alright ladies, so here I'm going to be dressing up a little champagne glass, and here's where I say goodbye. Thank you so much for all your support, your love. Love you, God bless you, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!